There is a version of this situation where you have it in writing, and a version where you do not. In Illinois, those two versions end very differently. Today, it is the Illinois Repair and Deduct Letter. A repair and deduct letter is the tenant's written notice that something affecting the habitability of the unit is still not fixed, naming the defect, the date it was first reported, and what the tenant intends to do next. Repair and deduct is one of the few self-help remedies a tenant has, and it lives or dies on the paper trail you built before you used it. Without that letter, a tenant who arranges the work and subtracts the cost from the rent can find themselves defending an eviction instead of getting a repair. And this is the part that matters. The deadlines, the notice periods, and the wording that actually count are set by Illinois law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Illinois, and the page walks you through the Illinois rules that apply to it. You type your details straight into the browser, and it builds the finished PDF for you, laid out properly and ready to sign. Free, nothing to install. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go get the form itself at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. It costs nothing.